Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, BMW Assist eCall emergency communication system, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, Sensitech leatherette upholstery, HD radio, wood console insert, garage door transmitter, rear spoiler, electronic stability control, keyless entry, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.